Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. We can check it using the dialer or settings. So of course I will show you both. Let's begin with opening the dialer and let's tap on keypad and let's type *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number. So let's click on OK and let me show you another option. So let's open the list of apps, enter the settings, let's scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone. And as you can see here, we've got the serial number and IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy M51. So thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.